Cats love to climb and explore, but jumping over fences can be risky for them and stressful for their owners. Luckily, there are several safe and effective ways to prevent our cat from jumping the fence. Cats can jump very high, so a short fence will not keep them inside. A fence that is at least 6 feet tall works better to stop them. The taller the fence, the harder it is for cats to jump over. One of the easiest ways to stop a cat from jumping a fence is to add chicken wire or mesh to the top, making sure part of it bends inward to prevent your cat from climbing. Chicken wire or mesh is flexible, affordable, and easy to attach to most fences. When angled inward, it creates a barrier that's difficult for cats to climb over, as they cannot get a good grip or balance. It is also transparent, so you can still enjoy the view and your yard will not feel covered or closed off. You can also install rolling bars on top of the fence that spin, making it too hard for your cat to grip and climb over. These simple additions can keep your cat safely inside your yard without hurting them. Rolling bars work well because they take away the stable surface cats need to pull themselves up. Another good way to stop your cat from jumping the fence is to build a cat enclosure, called a catio. A catio gives your cat a safe outdoor space to climb, play, and rest without escaping. Made from strong materials, it protects your cat from weather and dangers, keeping them happy and secure in your yard. This way, your cat can enjoy the outdoors safely without the risk of running away. Another way to help keep your cat from jumping the fence is to use a no-shock training collar. This collar uses gentle sounds or vibrations to remind your cat to stay inside. It does not hurt your cat and helps them learn where they should stay safely. You should also make your yard more interesting so your cat will not feel the need to escape. Add things like cat trees, toys, and hiding spots. The more fun your yard is, the more likely your cat will stay. You can also spend time playing with your cat outside to help burn off energy and build trust. You can use positive reinforcement, like treats or praise, to reward your cat for staying in the yard. This helps them build good habits, though it may take time since cats can be harder to train than dogs. Lastly, consider supervising your cat when it is outside. Some people let their cats out only when they are home and watching. You can also use a cat harness and leash to walk your cat in the yard. It might take time for your cat to get used to it, but many cats enjoy walking once they learn. With a little patience and the right tools, you can create a secure outdoor space where your cat can explore without the risk of jumping the fence.